Hi guys, and welcome to my first short vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this vlog, and also don't forget to follow the SOP. Let's go! So next is the Innovation Center. It's a cross-functional plan that creates a safe haven for new ideas. The VR exhibition in Petrosains let the visitors experience and play the VR games for free, but yet you need to wait for your turns.
Hello, how are you?
So next is the AI, or we can call it as artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.